Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to shut down Windows 11 or restart or sleep. Click on start and here is the icon for power. Click here. Here you will see some option: hibernate, shutdown and restart. Close all apps, turns off the PC and then turns it on again. Once you restart, shut down, close all apps and turns off the PC. Hibernate turns off the PC but apps stay open. When the PC is turned on, you are back to where you left off. So this is the way guys you can shut down, restart or sleep or hibernate your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.